How to fix hotspot grayed out on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome to Phone Transformer. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a grayed out hotspot on your iPhone. First, go to Settings, then turn airplane mode on for a few seconds, then turn it back off. Now scroll down and tap on Screen Time, then tap on Content and Privacy Restriction. Try to keep this option turned off as it can sometime restrict certain settings. Now go back and tap on Cellular. If it's already turned on, turn it off for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Next, tap on Cellular Data option. Once you are inside, make sure all the necessary options are enabled. Also, make sure low data mode is turned off. Go back to the main settings page and tap on General. Now scroll all the way down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset and select Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode to confirm and reset your network settings. Once it's done, check your personal hotspots again. Hopefully, the hotspot option should no longer be grayed out. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Phone Transformer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.